guys, it's Wes here with Highline Car Care. Today we've got a client with a Lexus IS that's got a mirror that has no tension. So today we're going to show you how to fix that. If you want to come a little bit closer, I'll show you. A few tools we're going to need: a hammer, an oxygen sensor socket that's got the slit in it, and a pair of snippers. So first off, we're going to pop the glass off very delicately. Just get your fingers underneath and gently pop it like that. And you're usually going to have two wires here. So we will unplug these two wires. Alright, so yeah, I forgot, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver as well to disassemble this housing. You've got 4 screws holding this housing together. We'll take those off. Alright, so now we're going to separate this housing here. The back half comes off, and you see you've got the lamp in there, so just be careful with that. But this is as far as we need to disassemble it to perform our repair. What you're going to see right here is this washer has popped off of the shaft. What we're going to do first of all is we're going to bend these little prongs down so they'll grab onto that shaft a little bit tighter next time. Alright, now you'll see the reason we needed an oxygen sensor socket is so that we don't crush these wires. Slide it over just like that, and get the mirror in place where you want it, and apply some tension by hand. Then we're just going to give it a good whack. That's it. That should be good to go. We'll put it back together from here, and you've saved yourself $300 or $400. Once again, that's Highline Car Care and Auto Technology Repair, highlinecarcare.com and autotechnologyrepair.com.